Did you know how amazing the human body is? It's a complex and fascinating machine, capable of incredible things. From the strength of our bones to the sensitivity of our senses, we're packed with wonders that most of us never even think about. That's why today, we're diving into some quick and fascinating facts about the human body. Get ready to be amazed by the incredible things this collection of cells, tissues, and organs can do. We're going to explore everything from your head to your toes, and I guarantee you'll come away with a newfound appreciation for the incredible machine you call your body. Alright, science fans, let's talk bones. You might not think of your bones as being all that tough, especially compared to something like, say, steel. But get this, pound for pound, your bones are actually about 5 times stronger than steel. It's true. Think about it. Your skeleton is literally holding you up all day long. You're walking, running, jumping, dancing, all that puts stress on your bones. And yet, they don't just crumble under pressure. That's because they're made of a composite material that's incredibly strong for its weight. We're talking about a matrix of collagen fibers and a mineral called calcium phosphate. This combination gives bones the perfect blend of flexibility and strength. Okay, science enthusiasts, let's take a deep breath and dive into the incredible world of smell. Have you ever wondered how your nose can distinguish between so many different scents? Well, get ready to be amazed. The human nose can detect about 1 trillion different smells. That's right, 1 trillion. To put that into perspective, that's more smells than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy. So how does it work? Well, it all starts with these amazing things called olfactory receptors. They hang out up in your nose, just waiting to catch a whiff of something interesting. When a scent molecule floats in, it binds to a receptor, kind of like a key fitting into a lock. This triggers a signal that gets sent to your brain, which then interprets the signal as a particular smell. And because we have so many different types of olfactory receptors, we can detect a huge range of scents, from the sweet smell of freshly baked cookies to the, well, not so sweet smell of a gym locker. But smell isn't just about enjoying the aroma of a delicious meal. It plays a crucial role in our daily lives. Alright, science buffs, let's get real for a second and talk about fat. I know, it's not the most glamorous topic, but before you start skipping ahead, let me tell you, fat is way more important than you might think. First of all, did you know that the average human body contains enough fat to make about 7 bars of soap? That's right, 7. It sounds kind of gross, but it's true. Now, before you start picturing yourself as a walking soap factory, let's talk about what fat actually does for us. First and foremost, fat is an essential source of energy. When we eat more calories than we burn, our bodies store the excess energy as fat. Think of it like our own personal energy reserve, ready to be tapped into when we need it. But fat's talents don't stop there. It also helps insulate our bodies, keeping us warm in cold weather. Hey there, science fans. Let's turn our attention to the incredible muscle that keeps us ticking, the heart. This amazing organ works tirelessly day and night, pumping blood throughout our bodies. Talk about dedication. Get this, your heart beats around 100,000 times a day. That's over 35 million times a year. It's like a marathon runner that never gets tired, constantly pushing blood through a network of blood vessels that, if laid end to end, could circle the earth twice. Each heartbeat is like a tiny explosion of energy, sending oxygen-rich blood to every cell in your body. And just like a well-oiled machine, the heart has chambers and valves that make sure the blood flows in the right direction. Think about it. Every time you take a breath, every time you move a muscle, every time you think a thought, it's all thanks to the steady beat of your heart. Hey there, fellow humans. Let's talk about a very specific and, dare I say, endearing quirk that makes us, well, us, blushing. That's right. We're diving into the world of rosy cheeks and why we're the only ones who do it. You know the feeling? You trip and fall in front of everyone, someone pays you a compliment, or you're caught in a little white lie, and bam! Your cheeks turn a delightful shade of crimson. It's involuntary, it's sometimes embarrassing, and it's uniquely human. So what's the deal with blushing? Well, it all boils down to our complex social nature. Unlike other animals, we humans are highly attuned to social cues and how others perceive us. When we experience something embarrassing, exciting, or even just slightly awkward, our bodies release a surge of adrenaline. This fight or flight hormone does all sorts of things, like making your heart race and your palms sweat. Well, there you have it, folks. 5 mind-blowing facts about the human body that prove we're basically walking, talking miracles. From the strength of our bones to the sensitivity of our noses, the efficiency of our hearts, and even our tendency to blush, the human body is a marvel of engineering and evolution. If you enjoyed these amazing facts, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Because the more we learn about how our bodies work, the more we can appreciate the incredible gift of life. Until next time, keep those brains curious and those bodies exploring.